Look at this. We got the other cement truck is dropping off cement for a concrete boom pump. Look at that. There's guys over there pouring the cement out of the concrete boom pump. This cement truck's spinning around and around and around. Wow. That concrete boom pump's pouring all that concrete in for the foundation for a new building they're gonna build. Looks like the cement truck driver's getting out of the truck. He's got his earplugs in, his hard hat on, his safety vest on. There's another construction worker coming up. There they go. Lots of rocks. The cement truck keeps spinning. And now he's gonna turn it on. And he's gonna start spraying some hose. And it's gonna pour the cement into the concrete boom pump. And then the concrete boom pump will pour the cement in to the spot where they need the foundation. And wait a minute, what's this over here? A skid steer parked right there. Hey, skid steer. There's a flatbed truck with lots of tanks for the welding. The cement truck stopped spinning. Concrete boom pump is getting ready. It's moving over. Driver sprays a little more water in the chute so it's ready to pour cement. Sprays some water into the concrete boom pump. Look at that little swimming pool they have on the concrete boom pump. Wow, there's a lot going on here. There's even an excavator.